Welcome back to my channel, my lovelies. I am Trina and this is the finished look. This is a 13 by 4 closure wig, 22 inches, and this is a deep wave. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned to the end of this video. I do want to thank you for watching. If you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, please click the link at the bottom and subscribe. Turn on your notifications. And like I said, welcome back.
Right now, sound.
for watching my video, my lovelies. If you have gotten this far, that means you have made it to the end, and I do appreciate you. You are a real one. At this point, I know my hair may look a little different. This is 2 days or 3 days since I have filmed the video, and I forgot to do the outro. So to tell you about the hair, this hair is very soft. This is how the hair looks when it is dry. I did wet this hair this morning. I came home from work, so I have worked 8 hours already, and this is how the hair looked after 8 hours. All I did was wet this hair. I didn't add any product to this hair. It's very soft and manageable. It's not tangled, so I highly recommend. Basically is what I'm saying.